Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here with me again, guys. My name is Rifa Adrian. I'm from TBI Class C. In this occasion, I'm gonna explain to you about narrative text. And here we go. Narrative text is a type of text in the form of an imaginary story and engineered by true story or a fairy tale that has a series of connected chronological events and aims to entertain the readers. Naratif teks atau teks narasi adalah suatu bentuk teks yang berupa cerita hayalan dan terkadang itu didasari oleh cerita nyata atau sebuah dongeng yang mempunyai beberapa runtutan kejadian kronologis dan tujuannya itu untuk dihususkan untuk menghibur para pembaca. Next is language features of narrative text. Language features of narrative text is the first, using simple past tense, and the second is using time conjunctions such as then, before, or finally. Third is using adverb of time like once upon a time or one day, and the fourth is using action verbs like killed, took, or walk. And the fifth, the last one, is using direct speech. Language feature dari narrative text itu ada yang pertama menggunakan struktur simple past tense, yang kedua menggunakan konjungsi waktu atau kata penghubung waktu seperti lalu, sebelumnya, dan pada akhirnya. Ketiga, menggunakan adverb of time seperti once upon a time, pada zaman dahulu, atau one day, atau suatu hari. Yang keempat, using action verbs atau kata kerja aksi seperti kill atau membunuh, terbunuh, dog, or walk. Dan yang terakhir adalah menggunakan direct speech atau berbicara secara langsung. Next is types of narrative. Narrative text has several types including fairy tale, mystery, sci-fi or science fiction, romance, horror, fable, myth and legend, history, or slice of life. Dari semua tipe ini mungkin kalian sudah familiar ya, seperti ada cerita dongeng, fairy tale, misteri, sci-fi atau fiksi ilmiah, romance, cerita romansa, horor atau cerita horor, fable, cerita yang novelnya itu diisi oleh karakter seperti hewan. Kemudian ada myth atau myth dan legend atau mitos dan legenda, history atau sejarah, dan slice of life atau cerita dengan genre yang bersangkut pautan dengan kehidupan. Next is generic structures atau struktur dari narrative text. Generic structures of narrative text is included: 1. Orientation, contains who, when, where a story set. Next is complication. The second, tell the beginning of the problem that caused the peak of the problem or what is commonly called the climax. The third is resolution, means that the end of the story or in the form of a solution to the problem that occurs. And the fourth, the last one, is reorientation or optional cover story that contains moral lessons, suggestions, or teaching from the author. Orientasi itu berisi siapa, kapan, atau di mana cerita itu dijalankan. Komunikasi atau masalah menceritakan awal dari sebuah masalah yang berakibat pada puncak suatu masalah atau apa yang pada umumnya disebut dengan klimaks. Kemudian resolusi atau penyelesaian itu berisi bagian akhir suatu cerita yang mana kadang berupa solusi atau penyelesaian dari suatu masalah yang dihadapi. Dan yang terakhir, reorientasi, ini seperti sebuah bagian opsional atau bisa dimasukkan atau tidak, yang terkadang berisi dengan pelajaran moral atau amanah, saran atau pengajaran dari sang pengarang sendiri. Next is linguistic elements. Linguistic elements of narrative text including noun in the form of pronouns, animal, or objects in the story, and past tense, using past tense, verb to. And the third, time connective, conjunctions of time to order events on the narrative text. and action verbs, verbs that show events or activities, and fifth, saying thinking verbs, verbs that show reporting or speech, and the last one is adjective, that using adjective noun phrase. The next of our material is we have the example of narrative text, and this is the story. The story is about Rapunzel. I believe a lot of you who watch this already know what's the story look like. The story is mostly about a princess who are being kidnapped by a witch. The princess is having a power of magical hair who can heal or making everyone eternals. And one day, a prince come to save her, and the rest is, I think you can read it by your own. So please, if you have any time in home, you can read the story, and maybe you can comment down below to express what you got after read those story. And I think it's all I can explain about the material of narrative text. If I have something wrong and I say it about it, or if I have something that I didn't tell about this material, please let me know my mistake. Thank you for listening me, and this is it. Akhirul kalam, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.